Mentorship is really important because it helps students create relationships that they might otherwise not be able to develop. They are put in contact with C-suite executives and business leaders in our community that give them incredible advice, form friendships, help them navigate in the early stages of their career or in starting a company, and it's just incredibly valuable, hopefully for both people.
Mentorship is important to me as an entrepreneur because I'm an engineering student and I have no idea how to run a business. This is my first time through and I'm making all the mistakes I can. I need someone to tell me I'm making mistakes so I know that I am, so I can improve.
So that's why we at STA have built a program that can facilitate that serendipity and those connections that can help our students when they are launching their visions to make sure that they are pursuing their dreams and pursuing the goals that are going to put them in the right position.
NC State Entrepreneurship supports the mentor program because as educators, it's our mission to support and encourage the next generation of entrepreneurs.